Alright. Yesterday I did not stream because I was playing the new DLC. I completely forgot that came out, probably because I was distracted by everything else, like Starfield and Baldur's Gate and shit like that. And it was alright. Oh, there was one part, though, that I absolutely hated. Like, I hate when games force you into a decision that you would not make. Like, I mean, it kinda happens in other games where it's... they might kind of railroad you into a decision you don't like, but I don't know, in this one it was very egregious, where they make you do the exact wrong thing. And I'm like, oh my god, this is... a 4-year-old could tell you this is a fucking stupid thing to do. What's the next? So... oh yeah, I had fucked up trying to, get that one map. We're just gonna skip over that map for now. Because I don't feel like it, dealing with it. Oh, I'll do everything around it, though. Hold on. Like... hold on, I can even... just... because then I can, at the end, go back and fix the map. So if we go to... locations... oh yeah, so... I cannot multitask. I cannot talk and do things at the same time. So I was... it was... should I spoil it? So you have to tell someone the truth, I guess. That's a secret, which really shouldn't be a secret. It's like the whole thing revolves around... the whole DLC revolves around one secret. It's like, oh, you shouldn't tell anyone, you shouldn't tell anyone. And it's like, why the fuck not? It is such a stupid secret. And the ending even has it, like, where the secret doesn't even matter anyway. It's like, oh, I believe you. Yeah, it doesn't matter. And it's like, well, we could have saved so much hassle by doing this from the start. What was it? Neon strip. What? Did I put it in here? It's the neon... it's... the floor 1. A gambling floor... oh, here we go. I'm just being dumb. We're doing this because I'm just gonna fuck this up just so I can import it. It won't let me... so I can do something like this just to... just to give me some... yeah, but the game was pretty much bad decisions. Let's make our life 10 times more complicated than it needs to be. The game. And it's all because we listened to one adult, and that's also the other part that got me. And because, I don't know, just the fact that you're a kid and you have to listen to a dumbass adult tell you the exact wrong advice that you should be listening to. And it's like, ugh. I don't know, normally things don't get under my skin, but that one, I don't know. That one hits a nerve. It's like, no, you're an adult, you should listen to me. I know what's best because I'm an adult and I know better than you. And you're like, okay, I'll listen, I like that logic. Oh yeah, how many tiles is this now? That is... sounds like flawless logic to me. Well, I mean, hold on. Oh, is it... select... no, okay, so let's just do that again. I just want to make sure, since I'm already messing this up anyway. What? No, not that one. What? Excuse me. Oh, did I press E? No. I want this tile. Give me... There, I don't know what that... What? Excuse... What is... Like, if I draw with this thing... No? What? I'm confused. Can I draw with this color? No, see? What would the... Hello? I feel like I clicked something by accident. See, there we go. I don't know what I clicked. See, in Krita, when I do that, it's because I clicked E, and that switches it to the erase mode with whatever whatever brush you're using. But I don't know what I clicked there. Because now I want to do this fill. There you go, you did it. I want to keep most of that intact. I just want to keep the door, just so I know where to place the, Alright, now how many? There we go. There, 471. And then I'll fix it. I guess I'll do the thing where, even though I really like this, even though I was shitting on it before, I was like, oh, this is kind of ugly. And it kind of is with the floor. I could have been more sparse with those triangles. But I mean, other than that, it looks pretty good. And I'm not a big fan of the red things. But anyway, I'll fix it after. Oh yeah, back to my bitching. I pretty much said it all. Hey, they're like, oh, you're an adult. Or I'm an adult, listen to what I say even though it's wrong advice. And then, okay. I will listen to you because you're an adult. Because that was kind of the story of my life. I had a bunch of adults tell me, like, bad advice, and then I'd be like, okay, I'll listen to you because you're an adult, and then I later realized, oh, that's not good advice. That is actually the exact opposite of good advice. Which, I mean, it normally wasn't bad, it was just... something any reasonable person would not get offended at. Alright, release. Like, my mom is anti-trans, and I'm like, what? Who the hell cares? Like, what do they do to you that's such... And she's like, well, I just don't know why you need to do that. And I'm like, I don't know, just shit like that that's so brain dead, such an obvious answer. Yet they still somehow manage to fuck it up in their heads somehow. Like, I'm not trans, but... You know, who gives a shit what other people want to do? And I guess she isn't that anti. Like, I say she's anti-trans, but it's only, like, when it comes up as a topic. Because otherwise, it's just... whatever. Hold on, what am I doing? Oh yeah, so, what was it? Gambling. So I need to just use this shitty floor for now. It is 912 by 432. Did I use that before? I think it's if people get older, they just get more hateful. I don't know why that happens. So I feel like normal people who were all peace and loving before just somehow end up being hateful when they get older. I think that's just a generational thing. Or maybe it's lead. What do you call it? What does everyone say? Lead poisoning. Alright, shit, where'd that go? Properties. Details. 114. Yeah, and then 432. Yeah, this seems familiar. 54. Yeah. All right. What am I doing? Maps, locations, gaming floor, temp. Oh, see this? Well, I should avoid having 2 layers. Well, I guess I could. I'll just leave it at 1 layer. I can always change it. It doesn't matter. I can delete that backup now. Where's the gambling floor? There we go. Let's do temp final. Even though those are kind of opposites. Temp final. But otherwise, the DLC was alright. I like the Pokemon was kind of cute. They call it an ogre, but then it's, I don't know. You kind of associate ogre with ugly, but it's actually adorable. You know, I was expecting something like Shrek. If anything, because then it has the 3, you know, I guess bad Pokemon. And those are ogres. Those I would consider more ogre than the actual ogre. See, I cannot multitask to save my life. I cannot talk and do things. Oh wait, no. Temp final. Okay. There we go. Because now we need 3 entrances through 3 whatevers. I can save that. I'm just not going to do collision yet because there's no point. I need to redo it anyway. But I can do the everything else. Oh no. What did I call it? NSNR GAM. My gams. What's a gam? I just remember that from somewhere. I don't even remember where it's from. It's my gams. I feel like that's from a Disney show. Like iCarly or something. Which I did not watch iCarly. I watched a little bit. More than I thought I would, but also not that much. Oh yeah, and the only reason I thought of that recently, because I think I saw a post about someone talking about something about how one of the yellow-haired girl doesn't like being called her name, the show name, and how everyone calls her the show name and she wants to be called by her actual name. But I wonder what happens to a lot of those people who they're really popular, but then you only see them in one thing. Like, I don't know, maybe she's in other stuff. I'm not exactly one who watches a lot of shows. I can't even remember the last time I watched a show or a movie that actually had real people in it. Alright, so let's just do, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 0, 3. Also, I didn't even bother catching. Usually, I just do everything I possibly can in a Pokemon. Well, maybe not everything I can. I do most of what I can in a Pokemon game, and usually I get to the part where I catch all the legendaries, and then either I'll catch them all or I'll catch a lot of them and then give up. But I didn't even bother catching the 3. I was like, nah, I don't even like how they look. The bird's okay, but that's about it. The other 2 were fugly. And because they're kind of cunts in the games. I don't really have any reason to want them. It's kind of like Asterion from Baldur's Gate. Like, he may be a cunt, but he's pretty. So that's why everybody loves him. Alright. So now we put it in. Ooh. So this is going to be 1. I don't need to be perfect. I'm redoing this stuff anyway. I'll do it. I'll do a second pass with all this stuff. I don't know why I'm trying to stick with even numbers. Alright, that's that. Now we do 1, 2, 3, 4. Player up. Or how much people are actually going to switch between the different... I mean, you have to switch to the player only for some stuff, so they'll do that, obviously, because they have to, but I wonder how many people are actually going to swap to just the partner, or do the reverse. People probably aren't going to do the reverse. Like, I wouldn't want to do the reverse, because the partner, or the player, follows kind of weirdly. It's always slow, so that'd be kind of awkward to do. So I imagine people won't really do that. But you never know, I want to keep the option there. Makes it more fun. Like, maybe once I'm done with the hack. Like, if I was an outsider playing this, I might, once everything was almost done or something, or at the end game, I might just swap and then try some stuff out. And even, I don't even have a whole lot of reason to swap. Because in the hometown you do, I have different dialogue for each, oops. For all four options. Although it's more like 3, because I think if the partner is the leader, or the hero is the leader, it's the same as... Oh, no. I think the partner alone and the partner leader, the dialogue's the same. And then the player alone, and then the player together has something different. I don't even remember what I'm doing. Sector 7 is player part. Alright. Save. Does this... Okay, no. For some reason I thought this would update. So just 9, 10, 11, 12. So now actually I will be right back. Alright, how long was I gone? Because I went to the bathroom, and then I went on my phone, and then for some reason it just felt like I was in there for 10 years, even though it was probably not that long. I don't know, I just experienced time. I just went through time. Like I took a nap or something in there, and I was like, whoa, hello. Where'd the time go? Let's get this done. Player. Attendant. And then player partner. And attendant hero. Alright. We are done with that. Now we just need to do the 00, 01, 02, 03. So I need the lobby. Let's take just something I can copy from. Something else I can copy from. And then 03. Then 00. No one. Alright. And then go to so we need 3. So here's 3. Be 62 and 64. Oh, fun. It's that time. Oh yeah, everyone's talking about Unity. Well, it's a good thing I didn't learn Unity. It's probably better. I should, if I'm gonna learn an engine, I should learn Unreal. Oh yeah, what the fuck is with the Adam Sandler Pokemon Mystery Dungeon? I have seen 3 of these, 3 different versions. I have not seen it in any other... Like, I know it's a meme and all, like, but I haven't seen it in any other fandom or whatever. It's always been Pokemon Mystery Dungeon. I haven't... You think I would have seen it in any other, you know, subreddit, something of any other game or something else, but no, it's always been Pokemon Mystery Dungeon. It always looks so stupid. Oh my god, it creeps me out. It looks so... It's always the 2 faces on the right that really just fuck me up. Alright, I'm out of things to look at my phone. It is still saving, oh my god. We might want to take a day and fix this so it's no longer a macro. So that way it doesn't take 700 years to do this. Alright, but for now, we just continue on. God, I gotta play Super again. Is my computer good enough to run the 3DS simulator? So I love emulators so much. Having those tools to quick save, quick load, and all that. It's just so good. NSNR. Game. Yep. And then this is gonna go to 62. I wonder... See how this is go to? And this goes pretty quickly? I wonder if I... move all this. Oh no, I think it happens here. This is where it... Oh yeah, but I was gonna do switch, but then put switch in like a different... Or I wonder if it's going from a macro to a macro. Does it bug out? I don't know, because why does this take no time at all? But then this takes 700 years. Because imagine if you had to copy all of this every time you saved to here. Well, anyway, whatever. You can think about it another time. So where does this go? This goes back to this 3. And this one. Oh, 03. Yeah, so sector 12, 13, 14. Oh no, it's 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, so it's the third one. So lobby 59. Alright, we're just gonna assume that works. Not even gonna test it. Just go straight into the next one. I don't even remember what the next one is. I'm not gonna move the other thing to, oh, I can delete the backup. I forgot. Where's locations? Locations. It is just a backup of everything. Bye-bye. And that way I won't be confused every time I save it. So the next one is going to be the Nidoking's office. Yeah, I'm just going to say it's Nidoking. Let's just check. I'm 90% sure it's Nidoking's office. If we're sticking to the right to left. Yeah. NK. See. Oh. Oh, here we go. NK office. Delete these two. Bum, bum, bum. I like that chair. It's a nice chair. IMO. Although I don't like the color scheme. All the reds kinda... eh. It's kinda eh. Alright, map. This new... neon strip near... office. Ofk. So, properties... 324 divided by 8. Uh-oh, well... I could shrink it by... let's do 324. I don't know, 320. Yeah. But let's also check that 320 works. Because it's 40 width and height. Nope. Well, fine, let's go to 42. $336. Sprite, canvas size. Okay. Now, tools, no. Maps. Yay. Now, settings, collision. Wonder how big they're gonna be in here. It's like, does that chair make sense? I mean, I won't have Nidoking in his chair or anything. He won't even use the desk. I don't know, that's kind of making me paranoid. One sec. Like, does this scaling even make sense? I know it's pretty tiny, so it should. Yeah, that makes sense. It's a little big, but you know, it's fine. Doesn't really matter. Alright. Let's just... because I have kind of a border. Really, I should do this with every map, but it doesn't really matter. Just so you don't accidentally hit the walls, because if you hit the wall, it kind of bugs out the partner, but that'll be something I think about in the next hack. The next hack I make. Which all the hacks I make are just going to be continuations. I do not see myself ever making anything else, like an original story. Psh, no. There we go, that's good. Because I don't even do Pokemon Mystery Dungeon for the gameplay. I mean, the gameplay's fine, but I wouldn't make a game like this in this engine if I didn't want to keep the story. Which is weird when I see other people make their own story. Because I feel like most stories are people's own stories. And I'm like, why don't you just make your own game at that point? Which I know why, it's Pokemon, and you don't have to deal with the balancing or anything. You kind of just flip some settings and you're done. So in that sense, it's pretty easy. Alright. This is done, so now on to script. An SNR off. There we go. We only need one. just one trigger. There we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Already done with that. Ta-dun. Alright, we're gonna do this one more time, and then we're gonna think about how I can change this to make this save faster. Go to Gam. Uh-oh, let me use this as no one to copy from. 02 is what I need to do. And then go to. Cause see how it takes 9 years to load? I guess, is it always gonna take 9 years? I guess that's one of the good things about having separate macros for everything, is I didn't have to have one big. Because like I have more information here, and then just put it all there so I can... Well, let's just do this one more time. I only need one. $65. Off. There. So... Because I do like just putting in a number and then having it all figured out for me. And this would be the best way to do it. Like, I like this way to do it, it just takes forever. And I need it all in a macro because so that way I can warp in different methods, whether fast travel or whatever. See how long this takes, it's only gonna get longer. And by the time I do the next hack, and then the next hack, it's gonna take a year. So I better fix this now. And would it take as long if I didn't have... Like, if I could remove the switch macro somehow, would that be okay? I just don't know what would fix this. Like, I could put the performance progress list checks directly into the enter 00 scripts and remove that. And then it would just be 1, 2, 3, 4. Or it would be more case 1, then I guess it would be a switch, and then depending on that, and then have 4 different switches. Like, let's pretend I don't think this will fix anything, but... if I did switch 2, and this is switch, and this is just do one of these. What scenario mean 1? I guess I always need that. Like, what if I did this? No, it still takes 9 years to do it. It's more about me having 65 cases, I think. I could have in the enter 00 just put this as 1. I guess that took less time. is Control Z? Okay, I can still Control Z everything, so let me... Huh. Um... I just figured out... Oh, well, I guess it... No. Is there a switch levels? Is that down here? I guess that's where change map goes to. Hold on. This uses go-to, right? Does this have anything? No, that doesn't use... What? What uses switch levels? Where does this come in? Oh, a fast travel. So yeah, that's how you fast travel. So it goes switch levels, it sets it. And then you main enter ground, which somehow goes back to go 2. But how does... So you go to main enter ground, right? So that goes to Union All, right? Isn't that where Get Out Dungeon comes in? And then you go to Koro Map Test, I think? Is that where Map Test comes in? Yeah, Koro Map Test. Then you go to Koro Title Test. What's Koro Title Test? Oh, it goes to get out my dungeon. Change map. Okay, so that's where it goes to change map directly. Okay, and that's why I need the event. So I don't need it here, but I would need it here. Alright, well that was a bunch of time. Yeah, and I needed it to be all one number, and it needs to go to the same macro. So even if it goes to change map... And I mean, in some way, is there a way I can... So each one of these has this. I need to change it to where this happens first. So I can affect the number somehow. But in some cases, it doesn't even matter. I could have that all be just... I guess let's start writing something. Change map. So I do need event local to be 0 for some reason. And I guess this too. So I need... So I could remove the 1, 2, 3, 4, and... Because I could have that directly, I wouldn't even need the switch macro. Although I would need a macro, because I need to set... Oh no, I could set it to... In the... I would have to go to each 0, 0 and reset it though. But I could do that, I could just throw in a... If anything, I should go to each 0, 0 and make a macro. Because I could make this all the way to, you know, 100 or something. And then I can just insert the level. Music level. And then sector. Although the sector would be a little weird. So maybe I should just go in and throw it in there. I could try that. Just put in a... And I could probably throw in the sector as a case. Maybe. Alright, I guess let's just ignore that for now. But then I'm gonna need 4 of these. If I... I could use event local. Can I do math? Why is case 1 down here? Oh, that's not consistent. Oh well, whatever. So instead of having this, I could do... I could just do math right here instead of this. But with the switch, I'm gonna need to do a plus equals. And then this. So I guess let's try... So event local actually equals... Hold on, do I set event? I set this to 0, but I also set this to 0. So if I use event local to do everything, I could, I'm gonna have to do event local 0 and when you hit the enter 0, 0. Which is fine. I guess it's fine. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. So I would have to... basically this... So equals 1. And then I don't need this. Or I could do this. 1. Whoops. 4. 2, 3. And then I would just have to multiply, right, by 2. So 8. Yeah. 12. Yeah, so I just need to multiply by 1, 2, or 3. Or I could just stick it in event local again. And then at the end, do this. Event local. Or would this work? To save myself having to go through each macro, or go through each enter 00, could I do what would I call this? Change, well, I need that to be change map. This can be, even though it's change map helper, whatever. I don't like that, but so what I could do is I could do this at the end, except this is going to be and then I can do this, although I don't know if this is by reference. If it is, then this does not work. And I could also do this. Where is it? This. And then here is where I would just do the math. So here I would just set it to oh, but then this kind of fucks up. If I need to directly, well, I guess I could just put that in the math part, or in this part maybe. I can make that an else if. Or I could just set it to... Oh yeah, but I can't because it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9... Oh hey, what happened here? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What the hell happened here? I'm gonna have to look at that. Because why is that 9, 6, 7, 10? H bottom. We go to H bottom real quick. I'm getting distracted again. H bottom. I mean, I tested it before, right? Oh, there's two new ones for sleeping together. Right. That was the logic. Oh my god, I should do those real quick. Oh no, hold on. Okay, let's just assume that I know what I'm I know what I'm doing with those. Oh, I do need level. So then it would just be this whole thing. I have the fade out. Yeah, and then here, how do I do that? Because that's a special case. Ooh. That kind of throws a wrench into everything. Because this is where... I mean, instead of doing math, let's just write it out. Hold on. And I don't even need, let's just take the first 12. Is that good? Because it's... Yeah, so... That's just the default. So this would be event local. I don't even need to do anything for these, I can just break. But then for here... That's cool. For these, I just break, because it's already correct. Oh, and even better... Hold on, so case 1... Oh, hold on. Oh, yeah, so I need this. So I can't actually do that here. I have to do it every single time here. Instead of this, it would be this, and it would just be this. There's no way I can set that level as a variable. Can I? Because that was kind of the problem before, was the ifs and else. The whole reason I'm doing this is to get out of macros. Although I had something going on when I had the, although I really didn't, because I need these levels. Hold on, let's reset everything. So this is all good, right? We save this. This is going to take 9 years again. I'm going to see what happens if I only have one line. If that really makes a difference. Or maybe if I just... Because it's a macro, so it's copying all of this, so... I could just bite the bullet and make it all do the macro for it. Just copy and paste it 900 times. And then that way it'll save the compiler from having to do it for me. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, what if I did the logic? Why don't I do what I was thinking of before? Because I have to set everything to 0 anyway. If I change all the enter 00 scripts, why don't I go with that method again? Where I put all the logic in there. Like, I'll give the level. Oh, I do need to know which, that's gonna be the hard part, which, well, no, I could just do the first number. Alright, I have an idea. So we're just going to do the first number. And then in the enter 00 script, do the performance progress. And then there, all I have to do is add 1, add 2, add 3. Because it'll have 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 9, whatever. And then I just need to add whatever I need to. Okay, that's my next plan. And then that way, I won't have this switch macro anymore. It'll be just execute station common. Alright. That's the plan. And that'll be easy. And then this way I can go back to the enter 00s. Because I want to make those a macro anyway. I think there's a reason I didn't want to do that. I don't remember why, though. I mean, it is something I could add, even if I don't make any macro. I could just add it to every single one. It'll be a pain, but it'll save me some time. It'll also make the go-to look a bit cleaner. Okay, so we're going to copy just all this. We're gonna call this change map 2. Although here, I guess I could. You know what? Don't save. We're gonna think about it next time. Because now it's hurting my brain. We'll just deal with it. Let me just finish this, and then I'm gonna hop off. And also for the 0-0s, maybe I should write that in a note. Here, let me just... Oh yeah, I was gonna do inscription mods or something. There. Like anything specific to the map, because that would make sense regardless. Like if you're on that map, the map should deal with any story stuff. That's actually better. Enter should deal with story map switching. There. That's hopefully I can remember to do that. Alright, so this is the office. Off. This only had one. And then enter a 1, so this goes to the off. Ah shit, it's in code 2. And it takes a while to open too. I've been noticing that as well. Yeah, we'll deal with it tomorrow. Oh no, it's the sad one. Anyway, 65. This should be O2, in the gambling, so 63. Alright, I will also test it next time. I need to go walk around. So I will see you guys next time.